Assalamu alaikum, friends. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 practical and fresh tips for writing an email when you send your CV. Many people write only, please find attached my CV, or sometimes they don't even write anything. This does not make a good impression. If you want HR to open your CV, your email must also look professional. So let's start. Tip number 1. Always remember, a recruiter receives hundreds of email every day. If your subject line is not clear, your email may be ignored. Instead of writing CV attached, write something like application for operation coordinator, the mom, job ID, or any other relevant information. This shows you are serious and professional. Tip number 2. Address the person by name if possible. If you know the HR manager's name or the recruiter's name, always write it. For example, dear Mr. Ahmad, instead of writing just dear sir or madam, it feels more personal and shows you made some effort. If you don't know the name, then just write dear hiring manager. Tip number 3. Keep your email short but powerful. Remember, HR doesn't have time to read long emails. Just write 3 to 4 lines maximum. Who you are, why you're applying, what value you bring, mention that your CV is attached. For example, my name is Ali Khan and I have 5 years experience in logistics. I'm very interested in your advertised position of operation coordinator. I believe my skills in supply chain and logistics will add value to your team. Kindly find CV attached. That's it. Tip number 4. Use a professional signature. At the end of your email, don't just write your name. Write a simple signature with your full name, your mobile number, your LinkedIn profile link if available. This make it easy for HR to contact you immediately or direct. Tip number 5, and the most important, always check grammar and attachments. Before you press send, double check 2 things. No spelling or grammar mistake. And number 2, your CV is really attached. Many people forget this sometimes. This small habit shows your attention to details. So friend, these were 5 practical and really helpful tips for writing an email when you send your CV. If you apply these, your chances of getting noticed will increase, inshallah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. Assalamu alaikum.